Hello, I JVN Urmila Rao, Fashion Designing in Assistant Professor in Fashion Designing Department, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. Today my module on collars. Collars we use in the different garment like jackets, coats, shirts, top, and the suits and the anarkali suits. Also we use some kind of collars. Collars. Including a collar is a part of a shirt, dress, coat or blouse that the fastness around a frame, the neck. Among clothing construction professionals, a collar is a differentiate from the other neck shows and the reverse in the lapels by the being made from a separate piece of fabric rather than a folded and cut part of the same piece of fabric used for a main body of the garment. A collar may be permanently attached to the main body of the garment or a detachable, for example by stitching and by clips and all. History. Today short collar descent from the ruffle case by the drawstring at the neck prof and the medical wheels Chinese through a Elizabethan ruffed its successor. The wrist collar and falling band separate collar exist alongside attached collar from the mid 16th century, usually to allow straight kind of other fine finishing or to the make collar laundering easier. During the Edwardian period of the sporadically thereafter, people wore ornamental collars, a form of jewelry. In modern time, the zero collar and the t-shirt demonstrate the non-necessity of collars. Terminology. First is band. A strip of fabric that fastened around the neck perpendicular to the body of the garment to which a collar proper may be attached. Collar stiffeners, bone or stay. Stripes of baleen, metal, horn, mother of pearl and plastic round at one and the pointed at the other, inserted into a man's shirt collar to stiffen it and prevent the point from the curling up. Usually inserted into the underside of the collar through small slit but sometimes permanently sewn in place. Point. The corner of a collar in the button down collar, the point are fitted with the buttonholes that attach to small button on the body of the shirt to hold the collar neatly in place. Spread. The distance between the point of a shirt collar. Stand. The band on a coat or shirt collar that support the collar itself. Types. Collar can be categorized as a standing or stand-up, fitted up around the neck and not lying on the shoulders, flat or falling, lying flat on shoulders, standing around the neck and then folded or rolled it over. Collars may also be stiffened traditionally with starch, modern wash and wear shirt collar may be stiffened with the interfacing or may included metal or plastic collar stay. Shirt collar which are not starched are described as a soft collars. Juliet sleeve, a long tight sleeve with a puff at the top, inspired by fashion of the Italian Renaissance and the name after the Shakespeare and tragic heroine, popular from the Empire period through the 1820 in fashion again in the late 1960 under the influence of the Jaffarelli film Romeo and Juliet. Kimono. Kimono sleeve, a sleeve cut one the bodies in wide sloping shape similar to that a traditional Chinese robe. Sleeve where the top part of the sleeve in plain and the cuff balloon are halfway between the wrist and elbow. Pagoda sleeve, a wide, the bell-shaped sleeve popular in 1960 over a ingrate and false undersleeve. Pant sleeve, a sleeve made a pin and panels allowing a line or short sleeve to show the through 16th and 17th century. Poet sleeve, a long sleeve fitted shoulder elbow then the flared from the elbow to wrist. A shape of collar is also controlled by the shape of neckline to which they are attached and most collar are fitted to a jewel neck, a neckline sitting at the base of neck all around. If the garment opened down the front, the top edges may be folded back to from lapel and V-shaped opening. The cut of the collar will be adjusted accordingly. Thank you.